Yeah, just love the sound of the bell that come from Texas. Thank you, Lisa. Beautiful sounding bell. Keep your ears open, you'll hear it in the background. Yeah, just doing some computer work here out in the garage workshop. Now, it's time to do some gardening. So I got out early this morning, decided I'll go out and prune all these roses. So yeah, as you can see, just doing a bit of cleanup. Got the old electric one out. And I'm going to go into these ones. Started on this one. And I'll go through and make them all nice and square all the way down. The grapevine, yeah, I'll leave that. I love it when it hangs down. You walk underneath and pick all your grapes. Pretty cool. Overcast sort of a day, but nice and warm. Good day for some work and work up a sweat. So I'll follow that cord all the way through, cutting all the bushes. And then I'll come back and do a video back the other way. See you soon. Well, I seem to be getting there. Making a lot of mess, but pretty and smells beautiful. Anyway, I'll get back into it. Okay, so that's all the bushes pruned. So now it's just a matter of, yeah, just doing the cleanup. And yeah, a lot more room now. So let's get on with the cleanup. Okay, as you can see, all the cleanup's done. Now that's, oh look at that, yeah, plenty of room now. You don't get wet when you walk past when it rains. Beautiful, nice and shade in the summertime. Yep, okay, we can go down a little path here. Alright, now this is another entrance or exit. Anyway, when you walk through here, yeah, as you can see the grapes are coming on, but they're only tiny at the moment. And there's quite a few. And what I like to do is pick all the grapes as you walk through here, which is really good. Beautiful day for gardening. Look at that. And now, look at this. Yeah, the sun's out. You beauty. Hope I didn't blind you. Okie dokie. Just a quick look around the backyard. There we go. Good day's work. Hey, black pussycat. Yeah, they look a lot better. Okie dokie. Oh, I might just turn around and give you a wave. Ha ha ha, very cool. Yep. Anyway, everything's all done. I'll go back into the garage, do a bit more computer work. Now I wonder what I can get up to now after packing this stuff up. We'll go and take a look out the front. Catch you next time. Oh, everybody loves my body all the time. Scooby-Doo. Bye. As I walk off, wondering what I'm going to do next.